Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Designer Breekelz here with another video for you. If you are new to this channel, I like to teach sewing and fashion related videos. I am an inspiring fashion designer, and in today's video is just a kind of like more of a vlog of what I'm up to, what I'm currently working on. So if that's something you are interested in, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel just so I know, and I will continue making these videos. Now, I am taking, as you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, I have explained that I am taking, so I finished my fashion design degree, and now I am working on my technical apparel degree, which should be done within May of this year of 2022. And my teacher in the class that I'm taking has asked me to design a collection, and in the collection, pick one look that you feel like represents you as a designer. And I have decided to go with a jumpsuit. Now, my design aesthetic is very sophisticated, classy, with a little bit of mystery. So if I were to choose maybe two people and put them together, I would choose Audrey Hepburn and Wednesday Addams, because it's very girly, sophisticated, but then Wednesday Addams is very like mysterious and edgy. So that's my aesthetic. And yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm working on. Here's my illustration I am working on. It is a jumpsuit. I wanted bows on the side because if you guys know me, I am obsessed with bows. I don't know why, I just love bows so much. And yeah, so she's gonna have a little keyhole so it's easier for her to move in, and then a hidden pocket as well. So let me go ahead and show you. I apologize for the lighting. I have a lamp right here, and then my sewing machine's right here because I've just been sewing my samples. But anyway, so this is the top bodice, and then the straps are gonna be kind of more gathered as soon as I sew it. And then the back's gonna have an open keyhole, so she is able to sit down and feel more comfortable. And then right now I am working on the pants. I'm drafting it, and soon I will sew up a muslin. And yeah, I'm just kind of working today. I will keep you guys posted on what stage I'm at, where I'm at, and how it is going. Also, please keep a lookout for more designer updates from me. I do have a show that's coming up, and I will give you guys more details about that, so please stay tuned. And yeah, anyway, this is just going to be my first vlog. Again, please let me know if you like it, and I will continue making more. So if you guys have any questions or need any help with anything, send me an email at designerbreekelz@gmail.com, or you can send me a message on Instagram, same handle. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these videos. Okay guys, so this is my muslin fit. I went ahead and made my patterns. I drafted my pants and draped my bodice, and now this is just me testing out the fit to see how it is going to work and what I need to change about it. So yeah, this is pretty much my design. I have little hidden pockets right here. I'm going to do welt pockets in the back, and then I'm going to have a ribbon tie to help give my waist more of an hourglass shape. And also because I am obsessed with bows, like I mentioned before. But I also want to show you just like the fitting process to help you guys learn how to fit your garments better. Now, if you see on the pants on my crotch part, I do have it a little bit baggy, and I am purposely going to have it a little bit baggy because this is a jumper, and I would like my customer to be able to sit down and be comfortable and fit into it. But if you are excuse me, if you are ever just sewing just pants and you don't like how your bottom crotch seam is fitting, what you do is there's going to be a very thin line right here. I did mark it, just kind of hard to tell, but the straight line from on my hips is going to be called the HBL line, and the HBL line stands for horizontal balance line. So if you want to fix that fit, what you're going to do is, and it's going to be hard for me to do this just because I'm holding my phone and everything, but you are just going to take it in and pin it all the way across your seam until it fits the way, like you just pin it straight until it fits the way that you like it. Mark how many inches is that? Is it a quarter? Is it 3/8? Whatever the fit is. And then you will go ahead and correct it on your pattern. So I hope that makes sense. But anyway, so here is just how my design is fitting. Yeah, anyway, I hope you guys will like it. I will show you more updates as soon as I can. And yeah, I just kind of hope you guys like these little vlogs. The fabric also that I'm going to use has a little bit of stretch in it. So I'm going to keep that in my mind on how I should make my pattern, on how it's going to fit. My muslin is a little bit more restricted because it doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. So I have that in the back of my mind as well. I put that into consideration with the fit. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is sew it up in my fashion fabric, which you guys are going to love. So I will show you that here in just a moment. Okay, you guys, so that was just kind of a process. This is, again, something I'm trying out, just a little designer's vlog. Just in my mind, why I want to do these vlogs is to show you guys a designer's process, and you really have to put critical thinking into your design in order to make it work. You have to be realistic and understand, how is it going to fit, how is it going to work with my fabric, and is it going to fit and work with my fabric. So, and I also wanted to teach you guys just how it's going to fit, like the HBL line that I talked about before. If you are having problems with your inner seam area and you don't like how it's working, that's how you can fix your pants if you're having a hard time with how they are fitting. So I'm just trying to help teach you guys on how the fit works with each individual projects, and every project and every design is going to be different as well. So again, I'm here for you guys to be a resource if you're having a hard time. Let me know, send me an email. I'm totally happy to help you. And these little vlogs will help show you what I'm up to, what products you guys are expecting. I will be selling this design for anyone that is interested and would love it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what fabric I want to make it out of. This is laminated waxy denim. Here, let me show you. It's very shimmery. I love shimmery fabrics. I think they are just so fun and just so cute. But I did use this for my last collection, and you can watch my last collection show, She Is Art, and I will post a link for you if you would like to watch it. But I don't know, I just had extra of this fabric and I thought it would be really cute to design a jumper out of it. So again, this jumper will be available if you guys are interested in buying it. I can do custom made. And yeah, anyway, and then the ribbon I would like on the side for a little bow, I am just going to use just a black satin ribbon. And yeah, I am gonna go ahead and just end this video because the end result I want to show either in a show or photos, just so it looks a little more professional to you guys. But anyway, again, if you guys have liked this video, please let me know and I'll make more designers vlog. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and stay tuned. So thanks guys. Bye.